Good morning, children. We continue with the lesson 1, the Earth, our living planet. Let us see what we are going to study today. Today, we will be seeing the world map showing countries in northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, countries in eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, important latitudes, important longitudes. Then we'll see the types of question in that MCQ and a world map. Now let us see the first map. Now you can see here the world map, and you can see 0-degree equator dividing the world into two parts. The upper part, the upper part is called as the northern hemisphere, and the lower hemisphere, which is below 0 degree, is called as the southern hemisphere. We can find the countries which are in northern hemisphere. India is in northern hemisphere, Russia, United States of America, Canada. You can find number of countries. You should remember a few countries, at least 4 countries you should remember, which lie in the northern hemisphere. Then we look into the southern hemisphere. You see country, Australia is a continent and country. Then in Africa you can find a few countries, and there in the South America you can see Brazil. So you should remember at least 3 to 4 countries in northern hemisphere as well as in the southern hemisphere. Next we go to this map. It shows the countries that lie along the equator, that is 0-degree equator. So these countries lie on the equator. So they are Colombia. You should remember a few countries here also: Brazil, Uganda, Kenya, Maldives, Indonesia. Now these countries lie on the equator. Next we go to the world map showing the prime meridian, that is 0-degree prime meridian. You can see it divides the world into two parts, western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. Again you can see in the western hemisphere we see Canada, United States of America, Brazil. You come to the eastern hemisphere, India is in the eastern hemisphere, Australia, Russia, China, these countries are in the eastern hemisphere. So when we move 0-degree prime meridian, when we move towards the east, the time is ahead. So 0-degree prime meridian, India is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead. So we are in the east, so time will be ahead. If you move towards the west, the time will be behind. So if at 0-degree prime meridian it is 12 o'clock, in India it will be 5:30. We are 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of the GMT, that is Greenwich Meridian Time. So you should remember which countries lie in western hemisphere, which are in the eastern hemisphere. Next we go to the important latitudes. Now you should be able to mark it on the map also. We have done this work in the form of globe we had done. So you see 0-degree equator passes through Africa. Then we will go first towards the south, 23.5-degree. Tropic of Capricorn cuts Australia. So you should look like that. Tentative you can mark. Tropic of Capricorn, it cuts South America, Africa below, and the Australia. Then you have the 66.5-degree Antarctic Circle down you can draw. We go to the north, 23.5-degree. Tropic of Cancer, it divides India exactly into two equal parts. You can see there, it is important from the test point for general knowledge. They ask which latitude cuts India into two equal parts. It is tropic 23.5-degree North Tropic of Cancer. Then we have the 66.5-degree North Arctic Circle. So these are the important latitudes drawn on the world map. Next we go small assignment. You have written all the question answers already. You have finished. Type of MCQ questions. I have given a few. You can make yourself also think of some MCQs like this. First one, the literal meaning of geoid is earth shaped. Ratio between the land and water bodies is 1:2.43. Lines of longitudes are called as meridians. Then we have on the equator the distance between two consecutive meridian is 111 kilometers. Then 23.5 degree north latitude is called Tropic of Cancer, which cuts India. Remember that. Then you will take a world map. Earlier you had marked only the continents. In the same map also you can mark this latitudes. If you can draw in another separate map, it's fine. Otherwise, same map also you can mark this important latitudes. First you will mark equator, then Tropic of Capricorn you should write on the left hand side like this and do. So with this we complete this lesson and hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a pleasant day.